this tutorial we shall look at how to convert web page into PDF. Web page into PDF. So let's come to the page. So let's assume you are on this site, college.gh, and you like this article and you want to convert this article into PDF, okay, or convert this site to PDF. This is what you do. As first of all, you must install Google Chrome browser, particularly using personal computer or computer, laptop, or any kind of computer. I don't know if phone can be used for this, but for now this is the tutorial using a computer with Google Chrome to convert a web page into PDF. So you come here, these three vertical dots, click it, you go and click print. Good. So it's loading the preview of the web page. You can see here, very nice, very beautiful. You can scroll down. You see the full article. This is the full article on this web page, college.gh, which has been entitled "Enrollment in the City College Army Cadet Corps has begun." So in case you love this article and you want to keep it or convert into PDF, this is what you do. You can apply this method to any web page, special educative web page that you want to keep the information. So you come here, you see the options here. You see, so you're going to maintain save as PDF. The pages, you can decide to limit the pages by customizing it, but in this case I want to convert the whole page to PDF, so I'll do that. Then pages per sheet, a page per sheet. I want a page per sheet. If you select two pages per sheet, it's loading. This is how it's gonna look. Okay, this is how it's gonna look. You see it here. This is how it's gonna look. Good. But in this case, I want a page per sheet. Okay, I want a page per sheet. Good. So now let's proceed. Now after you do your setup, the margin, I would like the margin should be on default. And if you want the background graphics should be included, fine. I don't like it. So now let's proceed to convert it to PDF. So you then click on save. Now when you click on save, it's gonna pop up like this. You see, this is the title for the article: Enrollment in the City College Army Cadet Corps has begun. That is college.gh. So you save this. Save this as a PDF document. So you save it, then to be downloaded. You see it is downloaded. Let me open it. Yeah, I've opened my WPS document reader. Good. So you see, that the page I just converted into PDF. You can see it here. See it. You can enlarge it. Enlarge it. can enlarge it. Okay, good. You can enlarge it. Good. Full article. So this is how we convert web page into PDF. So let's say you want to check where it has been downloaded. You go to your file manager, then you go to downloads. So when you go to download, you see the downloaded copy here. Thank you very much for having this time with me. Subscribe to our channel for more of these tutorials. Thank you once again.